Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This isn't TT, this is actually my collection of N-gauge trains, and I'm just making this video because I can't believe they're still running. This is the first time this train has run in over 10 years. I'm not kidding you, it's been over 10 years since I actually run this train, and the train is still running. There's Kitty Cat again, my Rawa cat. But yeah, I just can't believe it. I haven't put any oil or cleaned any of the wheels or anything like that. You know, I just put it on the track, and the way it went, I mean, I was a bit hesitant at the start, so I had to kind of coax it a little bit, but after that it's running like a gem. I can't believe it. And this is like over 10 years old, this train. And I've got the, let's turn that up. There's a Castle class, Tiverton Castle. It's the product number there. Yeah, it's a really old loco, this one. But I have something that was even older than this one, which is this one. And this one, I gave it a little go, and again, still works. So I've just set this on this temporary track now. Right, so I've got that little tank engine on the track now, and this one's more close to 20 years old. This is a very, very old N-gauge model from my collection. The carriage next to it, this was actually my early stages of modifying wagons, because if I turn it round, it's that on that side, that's the original livery. And I started doing this to it to make it into a bit of a luggage van, southern luggage van. So just put that back on. Let's see if she starts up. Oh, we lost it. Yeah, I think again it needs just a little bit of coaxing. Well, there we go. I mean, it's not rolling as smoothly as the Castle, but it is still going. I just can't believe how... Oh, there we go. Yeah, I can't believe how old these locos are. I think we're off. Yeah, that one at the back. Yeah, that one's come off. So, oh dear. So we'll stick that back on. Yeah, this is actually the first time these trains have run in over 10 years. Because it gave up the N-gauge a long time ago. Oh, it's off again. Okay, right, so I think that one's had enough for the day. Keeps on coming off. I know you're screaming at me saying that this is it's because it's not N-gauge track, and you'll be absolutely correct. You know, this is not N-gauge track, but I'm not going to tell you what this track is for yet until a little bit later on. I'm going to do like a announcement video to what all this is all about. So there's going to be some pretty exciting news coming up at some point. But just want to show you this one. This is, I bought a little Kato chassis. Oh, excuse me for, yeah, sorry about that noise. That was my alarm. I'm cooking dinner while I'm doing this. Yeah, as I was saying, this is, I bought a Kato chassis, and my intention was that basically I wanted to make I think they call it a Metropolitan Vickers locomotive, which was like a electric sort of like train for the London Underground. That was just a loco, and I was trying to make one of them, and I've got so far, and then I just stopped doing it. So I had problems with the loco not being heavy enough to pull any carriages or anything like that, hence the large lump of blue tack in the top. But I've tested this and it kind of runs well on its own. But this has always been a good runner. I always really use this as like a testing loco rather than a hauling loco. Well, I say it's a good runner, but yeah, there it goes. Yeah, I just can't believe these are still working. I really cannot believe that. These are very old trains. They're still working. So while that's running, I've got a few little ones to show you. Now, this is something I made, and I just basically had like little sort of like just the chassis, and in N-gauge at the time, I mean there probably is now, but at the time when I was doing N-gauge, these little four-wheel carriages I could not find any anywhere, and I really wanted to make a set up. So what I'd done was I decided just to scratch build them myself, and this is one of them. Now this was like literally my early stages of modelling. This, you know, is very rustic, to be fair. Yeah, it's like literally my first time of modelling these sort of rolling stock sort of thing, you know. And to be honest, it doesn't really run well on the. I mean, this coupling here is free moving, that's fine, but this coupling here, you know, as you see, glue has seeped into where the coupling joins on, and this is now pretty much solid. My cat's found the train now. I think she's found a toy. Yep, she's found a toy. Alright, well, I think Kitty Cat's pretty much ended that running session, but it was just a little quick video just to show some of my old N-gauge stock. I can't believe that my N-gauge trains are still running after all this time. So I just wanted to show you the trains running. Thought it'd be a nice video to make. I'll do another video later on, an announcement video to what all this track is all about, and what my plan is it's quite a big sort of exciting plan for the 6 months I'm out of the flat while the flat gets repaired. But I'll go into that at a later date. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, if you could please like and subscribe if you haven't already. So until next time, you all take care, and bye bye.